Hi all, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss about the Odoo 16 CRM module. Today's agenda behind this webinar to literate the end users and other public with the Odoo 16 CRM module. Through this training, we will be focusing on the features of Odoo 16 CRM module. So, before going to the session, let me introduce about myself and my company. Myself, Fajo, functional consultant from Cybrosys Technologies. Cybrosys Technologies is one of the fastest growing companies in Odoo ERP and the ISO certified software solution company. And we provide all types of Odoo ERP services and cover almost all the industries. And we have very strong reputation for large and successful Odoo projects, and we possess highly skilled developers at our development center based in India. We offer services in Odoo like Odoo implementation, Odoo customization, Odoo support and maintenance, Odoo migration, Odoo integration, Odoo app development, and employee outsourcing services in Odoo. So, now let's check why Odoo ERP. As you know, there are lots of ERPs and every day Odoo is becoming more and more efficient and effective. And currently, we have 7 million users for Odoo. The main thing is Odoo is basically an open ERP. It comprises large collection of business-related customer relationship management, sales management, website and e-commerce, accounting management, HRMS, and etc. All these basic modules are called Enterprise Resource Planning Software. So, apart from these 84 main basic modules, Odoo have more than 39,000 plus third-party app available in its app store. Each of them is custom built for different user needs. These applications stand ahead of time and fulfill every business requirement. And Odoo is very easily adaptable software for any kind of industry, whether it is a trading company, a manufacturing or any other banking institutions and all. And we have freedom from licensing costs in the community edition. And there is a large possibility of customization and integration, and Odoo updates and improvisation with each version releasing every years. And when we implement the Odoo ERP at the enterprise level, we will be able to get unlimited functional support, and Odoo have highly flexible and highly user-friendly UI. So now we can move into the Odoo 16 CRM module. First, we can discuss about some of the elements of the CRM module. The organized pipeline. Through the pipeline management, we will get a clear overview of opportunity pipeline of the sales process. And it will improve the work efficiency and productivity because the deals are categorized based on their conversation rate and with the different stages. The next one is acquire leads or opportunity. Odoo CRM have many key ways to generate a new lead or opportunity for your business from various platforms. And the sales team management. Managing your sales team is an important factor, and the sales team in CRM module will allow you to effectively track and manage the sales team operations. And planning activities. When you set activities and plan according to those activities, it will minimize the risk of uncertainties and it will reduce the chance of having overlapping actions. And the last one is partner levels and commission plans. If a new sale is referred by one of our partners, we can pay him a reward until the transaction is completed. It is a great marketing strategy, and it is possible to give our partner different levels. So now we can move into some of the functional features of the Odoo CRM. The first one is the managing leads or opportunities using the pipeline. So as we told, the leads or opportunities generated from various platforms in Odoo are well organized according to their progression, and the pipeline operations can be seen as arranged in the different stages. In converting leads into opportunities. After getting a positive response from the customers, you can easily convert the leads into a successful opportunity and create quotation for that opportunity. And the next one is managing the sales teams. It is very necessary to assign the sales teams in order to effectively handle lead, opportunities, and other CRM related operations. For that, Odoo have the sales team management. And the next one is planning and scheduling activities. It is very important to stay in touch with the relevant customers on a regular basis in order to take the lead into the next stage of operation. The Odoo scheduled activity feature allows you to schedule different activities with the customers. And setting partner levels and commission plans. You can provide commissions to your partners according to their partner levels. It will be encourage the salespeople and connecting the sales and business objectives. And the next, performance analysis reporting. Using the reporting menu in the CRM module, you can effectively analyze the CRM operations on a daily, monthly, and yearly basis. And the result attained through these reports will be helpful to take necessary actions to enhance the productivity of the company better than in the earlier times. So now let's begin with the Odoo 16 CRM module. For that, opening the CRM module. So this is a CRM dashboard as well as the pipeline. It shows the overview of the sales process, and we can easily drag and drop these opportunities into different stages according to their progression. So as you see, here we have some pre-created stages, and I'm creating a new stage by clicking the stage add card. And I'll name it as proposition 2. And add a stage proposition 2. And we can easily change the position of the stage by dragging the stages. Okay. So from the settings button, we can configure the stage. Here we have option for folding. So the stage will be folded in the pipeline view. And the next one is the edit stage. Through the editing, we can set it as the one stage. If it is a one stage, we can enable this boolean. The next one is a folded in pipeline. When we enabling this folded in pipeline, the proposition choose stage will always be folded in the pipeline. And the sales team. Is this stage is for a particular sales team, we can choose that team here, and we can add a description as a requirement in the requirement field. I'm saving this. So this is how we creating a stages, and also we can delete the stage by clicking simply this delete button. And now I am creating an opportunity by clicking the quick add button. Here I am choosing the contact. Whether we can choose this contact or we can create a new contact from here. I'm creating as a decorative. The opportunity name will be automatically filled here, and the email and phone numbers are pre-filled from this contact. And we can set the expected revenue. Expected revenue is the revenue we expect from this opportunity. While closing this opportunity, we can expect this kind of revenue and choose it as the revenue. And here we have set the priority by using the priority widget. So here I am adding the opportunity. So the opportunity is added. And the next one is we have scheduled the activity. We can schedule activities by clicking this activity button. So schedule activity. Choose the activity type as we are choosing calling. And we can add summaries and log notes here and choose the due date for this opportunity and set it as the 25th and saving this. So here you can see the activity is scheduled as calling, and you can see the green color and red and yellow. It means that green represents the upcoming opportunities, and the red is the overdue activities, and the yellow color is the activity scheduled for today. So these are the three colors meaning here. And the another one is we have filtering group by options. So by using the filtering, now here is the filter is my pipeline. So the user machine admin's pipeline is showing here. So when we removing this pipeline, so here we can see that the all salespersons opportunities that we created here. Okay. There is mark demo and machine admin and the all salespersons. So we can filter it by using filters and filtering by one stage. So the only one stage opportunities will be shown in this filter. As like this, we can also group by salespersons. So here I am introduced as a salesperson. So the mark demo and machine admin are the salespersons. So the opportunities under the mark demo and machine admin will be shown. So this is how the group by and filter works. And here we have different type of views in the pipeline. This is in the Kanban view, and the next one is the list view. So the opportunities are shown as the listing. is true, and the calendar view. So in this calendar view, the opportunities will be shown on the basis of the overdue activities due date. For example, I am setting an activity for this code for 600 shares. I'm scheduling an activity, and the activity is a meeting, and the calling, and the due date will be the 27th April. So I'm saying this. After that, open the calendar. So here we can see that for April 27th, we have the due activity code for 16 shares. So this is how the calendar view works. The next one is the pivot view. For the reporting, we can choose which is as the pivot view, and the next one is graph view. We can see the different stages and the salesperson as in the graph view, and also we can add the measures from here. The next one is the map view. In the map view, the opportunities are shown on the basis of the location. So some of them are in shaded colors because it couldn't locate because there is no address found in this contact. So this is the map view, and next one is activity view. So from the activity view, we can see the opportunities based on the activities that we settled in that opportunity. So this is how the activity view. So these are the different views in opportunity pipeline. So as we told in the opportunity, we can set an expected revenue for an opportunity. Like that, if we expecting any revenue continue in the future, we can set a recurring revenue plan for an opportunity. For that, from the configuration settings, we have an option for recurring revenues. So by enabling this feature, we can set a recurring plan for an opportunity. For example, I'm creating a new opportunity for the Azure area, and my expected revenue is 1000, and my recurring revenue plan is 100 per month. Like we can set a monthly plan for this or a yearly plan for this opportunity for the revenue. For example, if we subscription for a magazine, so we can set the expected revenue or that occur in the future. So we can add an recurring plan for this opportunity as monthly. Here I am choosing as monthly, so I am adding it. So here you can see that the expected revenue and the expected recurring revenue updated here. So like that, we can set the recurring plans here from the configuration tab. We have an option for recurring plans. So here we can create the monthly or a yearly or 3 years or 5 years. Here I am creating a 3 months. I am creating a 3-month plan. So after creating, we can choose the month here. I am creating a 3-month plan, saving it, and when we creating an opportunity from the recurring plans, you can see that the 3-month plan here added. So like this, we can manage our recurring plans in Odoo. So before creating an opportunity, we can add an initial qualification step as leads. So when we creating a sale, the initial step will be the lead generation. After that, convert that lead into an opportunity according to the customer response. And when the opportunity becomes warm, create a quotation for that opportunity and close the deal successfully. For this procedure, Odoo have leads option in the configuration settings. So open the configuration settings and enabling these leads and saving it. So after adding these leads, you can see that a lead tab is generated here. So I'm open that leads. So here you can see the created leads here. So these are the leads and its corresponding email ID, and is there any phone numbers you are visible here, and the city, country, and assigned partner of these leads, and the corresponding assigned salesperson and the sales teams. So these are the pre-created leads here. You can create a new lead by clicking the new button. So here I am creating a new lead. So name that lead product pricing. So I have named the lead as product pricing and the probability. The probability is nothing. It is an predictive lead scoring. So the success rate of the lead will be computed on the basis of some criteria. So we can set those criteria in the settings. So before going to the leads, I will show you how can we set the criteria for the probability. So here you can see the probability. So the success rate will be computed on the basis of this probability. So on the basis of here now you can see the stages and the phone quality and the email quality are the criteria for this probability. So I can update this probability by clicking on the update probability, and here you can add the criteria. So I am adding language and country. So confirm this. So now you can see the success rate is computed based on the stages, country, phone number, phone quality, and email quality, and the languages. So these are the criteria for this probability computation. So this is how the probability works. And next one is the lead. We will continue with that leads. I am naming that lead is product pricing. So here you can see the probability. So when we adding that probability, when we adding the customer, you can see that probability is changed because you on the basis of the previous data. So after adding that customer, you can see that the details are pre-filled, the company name, address of this customer, and the website. And this lead is assigned to the salesperson, Michelle Admin, and the sales team as sales. And next one is the contact name. We can provide the contact name of this customer, and the email ID, and the job position. And when we creating a lead, we can set the job position of that corresponding person, and the phone number and mobile number, and also you can set the priority for these leads. So and also the tax. And the next one is we can set an internal reference for these leads. We can add this internal notes and the extra info. Here I am just adding the price info. Price info. Next one is extra info. Under the extra info, you can see that bounce. So this is the count of the number that emails are bounced from this customer. And the next one is the marketing strategies. So here you can see the campaign, medium, source, and referred by. It all means that the campaign. So how the lead is come to us, which campaign and through the which medium, and the source of this lead is came from any. So you can set the source as the search engines and the Facebook, Twitter, like extra, and the referred by. So is this lead is referred by any other partners, you can set the who is the referral for these leads. And the analysis, under the analysis, you can see that assigned rate means the leading when the lead is generated, that is you can see here. And the next one is a close date. So when will be the closing for this lead? So we can add the closing date for this lead. The next one is a assigned partner. So the assigned partner for this lead and its geolocation of this partner, we can see under this assigned partners. So this is how we creating a lead. And the next one is here we can see the smart type as called similar leads. Similar lead is nothing. Is this customer is Azure Interior. So Azure Interior have previous some leads according to same as this we created lead. So you can see the similar leads here. So these are the similar leads for the Azure Interior. And so this is the created lead for Azure Interior. So after that, on the basis of the customer response, we can convert this lead into an opportunity, or we can also lost this lead as marked as the lost. So here I am converting that lead into opportunity. So product pricing. So I am converting this lead into an opportunity. So when we converting an lead into an opportunity, we have a conversion actions here. So once we can create and convert an opportunity, or you can create merge with the existing opportunities. So before that, we discussed about the similar leads. So when we convert an opportunity into when we convert a lead into an opportunity, we can merge this lead with the existing opportunities. So means the Azure Integrator have similar leads. So we can convert this lead into an existing opportunity, or we can convert this lead into a new opportunity. So this is how the leads can be merged. So here I am creating a new opportunity. So assign this opportunity to the salesperson and sales team. We can set the salesperson and the sales team here, and the customer creation mode. So when we convert and lead into an opportunity, we have three options here. We can create a new customer for this lead, or we can link this lead into an existing customer. And the third one is do not link to the customer. So this will be an open. No, there is no customers for this lead. So when we click as do not link to a customer, we cannot assign this lead into any customer. And when we creating a new customer, this lead is converted into an opportunity on the basis of the new customer and link to an existing customer. So when we convert this lead into an opportunity, we can use it as link to an existing customer and choose the customer that to be assigned here. So here I am choosing as the customer Azure Integrator and creating that opportunity. Okay, so now the lead is converted into a successful opportunity. So from the pipeline, you can see that converted lead is here opportunity. So product pricing, the Azure Integrator. So the added internal notes and extra information is here. So this is how the lead is converted into an opportunity. So the product pricing opportunity is in the new stage. So after the customer responses, we can change this stage into an next steps, open the opportunity. So here you can see the expected revenue for this opportunity. So we already discussed about the expected revenue. So here I am adding 2000 as the expected revenue from this opportunity, and also I am expecting monthly $100 as the recurring revenue. So I am adding monthly $100 for this opportunity. And also you can see the probability updated on the basis of some criteria we set it in the settings. And you can see the customer name, email, phone numbers, extra like we added in the lead generation time. So that details are already pre-filled here. The internal notes, extra information as important, all are the pre-filled here. So also we can see the salesperson for this opportunity. The assigned salesperson for this opportunity we can add here, and the expected closing date for this opportunity, and set it as the April 30th. So the April 30th will be the expected closing date of this opportunity, and also you can set some tag for this opportunity. I'm adding product and information. So these are the tags for used for this opportunity. Also we have some smart apps here, like we already discussed the similar leads and the quotations created for this opportunity. And if you have any meeting, set up any meeting for this opportunity, you can see the meeting here. So this is how the opportunity viewing the pipeline. So we can directly bound this opportunity into one state or the lost state by clicking the one and lost here. Or otherwise you can change the stages on the basis of the some progression of this opportunity. So I am changing this stage of this opportunity by simply drag and drop. So these are the qualified stage and the proposition 2. At last I am going to change this stage into one state. So the opportunity is 1 now. So after 1 we can see the one ribbon here, and also you can create the quotation for this opportunity. So here I am creating the quotation by clicking the new quotation button. So I am creating the quotation for this opportunity. Here you can see the customer is Azure Integrator and add the product for this opportunity. So the product was a custom block screen. So I am confirming this quotation. So the quotation is confirmed into sale order. So after that, you can check in the quotation. We can create a quotation and sale order is generated here. So the sale order total amount is visible in the order tab. So this is the sale order we created for this opportunity. So this is how the lead is converted into an opportunity and later converted to a sale order. And in some cases, we may lose our leads or opportunity. In that case, we can just click on the lost button in the opportunity. So here we have a lost button. Click on this lost button and choose the reason for losing. Which is just too expensive and submitting this lost reason. So now you can see this opportunities become marked as lost. So and suppose if it become get back this opportunity, we can click on this restore button and the opportunity will be get back into that older state. So you can see this into become proportion stage. So this is how can we manage the leads or opportunities become lost or won. And also we can configure the lost reason in as defaultly. For that, open the configuration. Here you have the lost reasons. So you can see the pre-created reasons here, and I'm creating a new lost reason for I mark this product quality and saving this, and I'm get back to the opportunities and open an opportunity. I'm losing this opportunity and choose a reason as product quality and submitting this. So now this opportunity is marked as lost. And from the pipeline, you can filter out the opportunities on the basis of lost. So you can see the lost opportunities here. So this is how the opportunities become lost. And in the Odoo CRM, we have some lead generation methods, and these functions can be bring down the burden and the worries about generating and managing the leads. And moreover, it will be very useful and enhance the company productivity and the profit. So for availing these lead generation methods, open the configuration settings. Under settings, we have a lead generations part. So here you can see the lead enrichment and lead mining and the visit to leads routes. So these are the main lead generation methods in the Odoo CRM. So the first one is the lead enrichment. So this is an advanced options available in the Odoo CRM, and it will enrich your data automatically with your organization and with the help of their email addresses. And this lead enrichment operation aimed for gathering more information about the regular customers and the future customers also. And it will be better technique for transforming your future customer into a regular satisfied customers. So after enabling this feature, open an opportunity from the My Pipeline. I'm opening the Ford for 600 shares, and here you can say new button enriching. So by clicking this enrich button, the opportunity details will be enriched on the basis of the company data. So I'm clicking this enrich button. So here you can say pop-up not enough credits for limit for lead enrichment. So we need credit for this lead enrichment method, and the next method is lead mining. So lead mining is an exclusive tool available in the Odoo CRM, and it will be act as a helping hand for you to mine and generate various kinds of leads evolved from different criteria such as country of operation, dimensions of the organization, and technologies applied by the customers and the product produced. And on the basis of these criteria, we can mine these leads. So for that, under the configuration, after enabling this lead mining, under the configuration, you have lead mining request. So I'm creating a new lead mining request. Click on this new button, and now you can see the setting the criteria for this lead mining. So I'm choosing 5 companies. So whether we can choose companies or companies and their contacts. Here I'm choosing as companies, and also you can choose the countries that the lead is mining from, which company, which countries. So here I'm choose the United States, and next one is Afghanistan also. So, and also you can choose the states for these countries, and the industry, the which type of industry you need to mine these leads. So we can choose it as retailing, or consumer services, like, and we can filter on the size of the company. So we can set it as the size that to be mined from this lead mining request. So I'm choosed as the 1 to 200 employees, and you can choose the type of this lead mining request, means whether you have create the leads or opportunities. I'm choosed as opportunities, and the assigning sales teams and the salesperson you can assign here, and if you have any tags, we can add these tags here. So I'm adding product and services. So this is how the criteria setting for the lead mining request. After setting these criteria, we can submit this, and also you need the credit for this submitting this request. That why the error showing here. So this is how the lead mining is working. And the next one is visits to leads. So we can convert the visitors of your website into leads or opportunities by performing the data enrichment based on their IP address. So we can set the rule for these visited leads, and for that, after enabling this visited leads, open the configuration. In the lead generation, you can see the visited leads rules. So here you can create the new rule for this visited leads, naming the rule. I'm used as use rules, and the tracking, data tracking companies or companies and their contact. Here I'm choosing as companies and their contact, and we can activate this rule, and we can set the traffic conditions. So the which countries should be available for this visitor leads rules, and I'm using as the company. So I'm using the countries for this traffic conditions and the websites. So if you have multiple websites, you can choose the this rule will be applied to whether my website or website 2. So I'm choosing as my website, and you can also choose the states for these conditions and URL expressions. So whether you can set the which page or which URL to be applied this visited lead rules, and also you can choose the sequence number for these rules, and the conditions. We can set the condition for generating these leads or opportunities by using these visited leads rules. So I'm choose the industries as media and software and services. So these are the industries I'm choosing for these rules, and filter on size as we done in the lead mining. We can set the 1 to 500 employees. So this will be the condition for this opportunity. And the opportunity data, we can choose whether it is a lead or opportunities generated from these rules, and I'm choosing as rules. And you can choose the suffix here. So this suffix will be help to identify the created lead is using which rules. If you have multiple visitor leads rules, you can identify the lead or opportunity that generated from which rule is applied on it. So using the suffix, we can identify the generated lead is become whether the which rule is applied. And also you can choose the sales teams or salespersons, and the contact filter. So how much contact to be filtered by using these rules. So we have we need to having credits for this applying these rules, and choose the contact numbers 5, and filter on role or seniority. The contact should be identified on the basis of the role or the seniority. If you choose it as roles, you can choose the preferred role here, CEO or education, engineering, like etc. And suppose if you choose the seniority and use the seniority of this contact, I'm choosing the managers of the company, and you can use some tag, and also you can set the priority for this visitor lead roles. So this is how the visitor lead roles we can set the role for this visitor leads, and also you can see the leads that are generated by using these roles. We can see the number of roles here, number of leads here. So you can saving this. So this is how the visitor leads roles work. And in Odoo, the lead generation can be done from multiple sources, like lead or opportunity from the emails or from the website, etc. So the emails are the best source for generating the leads, and the email sent by the customer can be tracked and gather the contact information and also recognize the interest of the customer. Like that, also we can generate the lead or opportunity from the website forms. So the websites are also an effective platform for the turning your visitors into a potential customer. In a company website, there will be lots of visitors who hit your website to learn more about your products and services. So these possibilities are well recognized by Odoo platform, and it gives you the Odoo give you a chance for generate the leads based on these visitors of the company website. So let's check how the leader opportunity generated from the emails. Open the sales stream and choosing the sales stream. And here I'm illustrating the lead generation from the email using the sales stream. And in a sales stream, you have the email alias. So I'm setting the email alias for this sales stream. Custom mail server. Set as gmail.com. And configure email ID using this incoming email servers and saving this. So after setting the email alias for a sales stream, send an email to the configured email ID. So I am sending the email to the configured email ID. Raise inquiry. So I am sending this email to the configured email. Back to Odoo. And from the leads, you can see the generated lead from that email. For that, from the general settings, I am going to fetch. For that, I am activating the developer mode. And from the settings, you can open the incoming email server and fetching the email. It will be take some time. Okay, ready. So now we can go into the CRM module and open the leads. Yeah, so here you can see the price inquiry. So the lead is generated on the basis of the mail we sent to the email ID. So you can see the email ID is updated here, and the details sent as the price list of the products. So this is how the leader opportunity generate from the email IDs. Okay, next we can move to the leaders opportunity generate from the websites. So for that, opening the website. So here you can see the contact us form. Click on the contact us. So this is the contact us page of our website. and going these details. Okay. So now you can see an edit button here and customize this contact us page. You can choose the action for this submit button. So after clicking on the submit button, you can choose the action. Here you can see here we have multiple actions like send an email or create an opportunity. So I'm choosing as create an opportunity and saving this. So after this, when we submitting this contact form, it will be create a leader opportunity under the Odoo CRM. So I'm giving the details in the contact form. Region and giving the phone number and the mail ID. And my company name. And the subject about the product demo. And the question is, can you repeat that? So I'm submitting this contact page. So I successfully completed the contact us page and go back to the CRM module. So now in the leads, we can search for the lead generated from the website. Yeah. So here you can see the product demo as the lead. Open the lead. And you can see the contact name as the Alijon as we given in the contact us page. And the email ID as given in the email contact form. And also the question we given in the contact form will be coming under the internal notes when will be the demo. So, and the extra information, you can see the marketing form and the medium is website. So because the lead is generated from the website, so that's how the medium is updated here. So this is how the leader opportunity generated from the website form. So these are all about the leads and opportunities in the Odoo CRM. Now, to effectively manage these leads and opportunities and other CRM related operations, we need a sales team. For that, in the Odoo CRM, you have a sales team management option under the configuration tab. So here you can see the sales teams. Open the sales teams. So now you will get an overview of the sales teams, like its names and the alias of the sales teams and corresponding team leaders of the each sales teams. So I'm creating a new sales team. So creating and managing your sales team with the Odoo will help you to effectively manage the time and organize your sales departments. And here I am giving the name of the sales team as Northern Region. And here you have three options like quotations, pipeline, and the leads. So by activating the quotation, it will help you for sending the quotation to your customer rather than confirming the order straight away. And also here you have an option pipeline. And it will manage the pre-sales process with the opportunities. And likewise, you have an option for leads. So by enabling the leads to filter out the leads and qualify the incoming requests as leads before converting them to an opportunities. So after doing these steps, you can allocate the team leader. I'm choosing the team leader as Mark Demo. And set the email alias for the sales team. As we already discussed for that, the lead generation from the emails. So when we choosing an email for this sales team, we can generate the leads by using the incoming emails to this particular email ID. So the next option is the accept email from everyone or authenticate partners or followers only. So this is how we manage the email incoming emails. Whether you can accept the email from the everyone or authenticate partners or the followers only. And also you can set the invoicing target for the sales team per month. So this will be the monthly target for this sales team. And also you can add the members for this sales team. Means the salesperson coming under this sales team, you can add here by clicking on the add button. You can choose the salesperson here, or otherwise you can create the new salesperson by clicking this new button. I'm choosing the markdown and machine admin as the salesperson to this team. I'm choosing it. So now you can see that the team members added. So associated with this, we have an option under the configuration settings. I'm saving this and going to the configuration settings. We have a multi-teams. So by enabling these multi-teams, we can assign the salesperson into the multiple sales teams. Means you can assign the same salesperson into multiple sales teams, so that you can enable these multi-teams, and saving this. So now you can see the created sales teams under the sales tab. You have option for teams, the open teams menu. So you can see the sales teams under these teams. So the created sales team will be shown here. So from here you can see the details like the assigned leads and opportunities for this sales teams, the overdue opportunities, and the central quotation for this sales team. Like this, you can see the all details of the sales team, and you can see the invoicing target for this particular sales team under this team menu. And apart from these features, you have an option for here by clicking the three dots, where you can see the three options: view, new, and reporting. So by clicking the view, you can see the leads, opportunities, quotations, sale order, and invoices under this sales team. You can see these details. At the new button under this leads, opportunity, and quotation. So here you can create new leads or opportunity or quotation to this particular sales team. And next one is the reporting. We can analyze the sales team growth and details by clicking the leads, opportunity, quotation of these reports. So this is all about the sales team management. So now you can create a new lead into this sales team that we created, Northern region. For that, I'm going to the leads, creating a new lead. So you can choose the sales team as Northern region under the sales team, and the salesperson as the visual admin. And I'm creating the lead for the Northern region sales team for products. I'm choosing the customer as the decoded and saving this. So then now the lead is created for the team Northern region, and converting these leads into an opportunity. I'm creating it as a new opportunity, and the customer is the recording the existing customer, creating the opportunity. So the lead is now in the opportunity state. So under the teams, you can see that the detail is updated. The new opportunity is 1. Count of the opportunities is updated as the 1. And also you can see the open opportunities 1. And from the opportunities, you can see the what for the product is into the new stage, and I'm marked as 1. So the for this the opportunity is now 1 stage. So now you can create an opportunity, and also you can set the expected revenue for this opportunity. And I'm creating a quotation for this, and the customer is already chosen, and choose the product for the customer, and choose it as place in sofa. So I'm confirming this product, and quotation is confirmed. Now the quotation is in the sale order status, and creating the invoice for this product. And register the payment. So now the quotation is in the paid state. The quotation is confirmed as sale order and the invoice is paid. So in the sale order, the other info, you can see that the close document has the code for our product and the opportunity. The which opportunities came to this sale order. So this is how the tracking is updated. And now in the sales teams, you can see that the invoicing monthly target is updated because our lead is converted as an opportunity and later it converted as a quotation and at last we confirm it as a sale order and make the payment. So the invoicing target is updated here. So this is how the sales team management work in the Odoo CRM. So in the Odoo CRM, we have an option for assigning the leads or opportunities automatically into the sales teams or the salesperson on the basis of certain rules and conditions. So for that, we have an option under the configuration settings. Let me open the settings and enabling the role-based assignment and saving this. So after enabling this role-based assignment, we can assign the leads or opportunities periodically on the basis of some certain rules and conditions into the sales teams or the salespersons. So we have two options here, manually or repeatedly, and we can set it as the periodically or manually or repeatedly. So I'm saving this and creating a new sales team. So under the sales team, I'm creating a new sales team as sales and enabling the quotations, leads, and etc. And after saving this sales team, you can see the new field is assigned here, the assignment rules. So here you can set the domain for the conditions or the rules for the assigning leads. So after setting the conditions here, whenever the leads satisfy these conditions or the rules, the lead will be assigned to this sales team. So for that, we can set the domain here. I'm editing the domain. So from the add filter, you can set the conditions or the role for the lead assignment. So here I am choosing as the, for the illustration, we can set it as the country. And the conditions contains Arab Emirates. So here I am set the condition as the country contains Arab Emirates. I am saving this. Okay. So here you can see there is no record for this conditions, 0 records, and you can see the assigned leads count, the how many leads are assigned to this sales team. So after setting this rule, I am saving this and creating a new lead for the, okay, I'm creating a new lead as product pricing, okay, and set the company name as first. I'm choosing the country as United Arab Emirates, and I am removing the sales team from here, and I am saving this. So here I am created the lead and its country is United Arab Emirates. So I am going to the sales team, open the new sales. Okay, so here you can see the record is updated. So there is one record for this matching to these rules. So I'm checking that record. It is a product pricing that we generated now, product pricing inquiry, and there is no lead is assigned till now. There is 0 records, and after I am clicking the assign leads, yeah, okay, there is no salesperson for this sales team. So there is one record is generated, and after that I am adding the members for this sales team. So whenever adding the sales team member, you can see there is also a setting the domain. We can option for setting the domain. So we can add the condition for these salespersons. So whenever the lead is satisfying these conditions, that lead will be assigned to the salesperson in this sales team. So I'm setting the condition as like language. So if the language contains English, it will be assigned to this salesperson mark demo. I'm choosing the salesperson as the mark demo. So here is a rule is contain. Here is a rule language contains English. It will be assigned to the salesperson in this sales team. So I am saving this and adding one more salesperson as special admin. Okay, so I am setting the role as language contains Arabic. It will be assigned to the salesperson special admin. And also we have an option for skip auto assignment. So whenever we are enabling this skip auto assignment, there is no lead node will be assigned to the salespersons automatically. So when I'm enabling this, there is no option for setting the conditions. So I'm disabling this and setting the rule as language contains Arabic. It will be assigned to the salesperson, which let me, and saving it. So here you can see there is no records, and I'm saving this, creating a new lead. Price list, and I'm removing the sales team and salesperson. And the country contains Arab Emirates. Okay, so here I am created the lead as the country contains United Arab Emirates, and the language of the lead is English, and saving this lead. And after that, we can check the sales team. Your sales. Yeah, okay. Now there is 2 records is generated, and I'm checking that leads. Yeah, product list and product pricing. So I'm closing this and click on the assign leads. Yeah. Now you can see the lead count is updated as 1, and 1 lead is updated to the mark demo, because the country contains the Arab Emirates is assigned to the sales team new sales. And there is one more condition. The assigned leads language is, if the assigned leads language is English, it will be assigned to the mark demo. So the mark demo lead is updated. So I'm closing this, and I'm creating one more lead contains the Arabic language. And setting the lead as in the variants. Okay, and choosing the company name, and also choose the company as country as the United Arab Emirates. Okay, now the language is Arabic, and I'm removing the salesperson and sales team. It will be automatically assigned. Okay, so the country is United Arab Emirates and language is Arabic, and I'm saving this lead and going to the sales team once again and open the sales team that we created. So you can see there is 3 records, and let me have 0 records, and click on the assign leads. Yeah, the lead count is updated as 1. So the Arabic lead is assigned to the Michelle admin, and the when the language contains English, it will be assigned to the mark demo, and the whole sales team condition is the country contains Arab Emirates. So this is how the role based assignment works. So here you see that I'm clicking the assign leads manually. So if you set it as the repeatedly, it will be from the configuration setting you can set as repeatedly. So you can assign the leads or opportunities automatically into the sales team in a periodic. And next we have commission plans in Odoo CRM. So if the new sale is referred by one of our partners, we can pay him a reward until the transaction is completed. And we can set a percentage of the total invoiced amount as the commission. So for that, first you have to ensure that the commission and reseller module is installed in the App Store. So for that, going to the apps and search for the commission. Okay, so the reseller commission module is to be installed. So I'm activating this. So it will take some time, and by activating this reseller commissions, we can available the commission plans in the Odoo CRM. So after that, on the configuration tab, we have reseller options. So here you have partner levels, partner activations, and commission plans. So first we can set the levels for the partners. So here we have 3 types of levels: gold, silver, bronze. And we can create new one, platinum. Okay. So we can create a new level for the commission plan, and we can set the level weight for the commission partner level, and the sequence number, and if it is active or not active, and the default commission plan. So by choosing this partner level, we can set the default commission plan as to the referrer. So I am saving this partner level as platinum. Okay. And the next one is the partner activations. So we have some partner activations here, and can create new one as, and for the illustration I am creating a first contact. Okay, so I'm created a partner activations as the first contact. So we can choose these activations in the partner form. And the next one is the commission plan. So from here you can create the plan for your commissions. So I'm creating a new commission plan, and the new name, set it as the new plan, and we can choose a product as commission to the, when we giving the commissions, we can choose it as a product. So purchase default product as the commission, I'm choosing it as a commission, and the company, the which this plan is belong to which company, we can choose the company of the our company. And next we can set the rules for this commission plan. So here you have some details like product category and product and sale order template and the price list and the commission rates and maximum commissions, etc. So from here you can add the rules. So whether you can choose the product category, or we can choose a particular product for the commission. So when we choosing the products, we can choose only the commission for that product. And if we can choose the product category. Now here I am choosing as the all saleable office furniture. This is the product category I am choosing here. So we can choose the one of the product from here, or we can set the commission for all of this product category. And next one is the sale order template. If you have any template, you can choose this template here. So the commission plan is only applicable for this sale order template, and also you can set the price list for this commission plans. And next we can add the percentage of the commission. So I am choosing it as the 10%. So the 10% of the total invoiced amount is the commission for this commission plan. And here you have 2 options like capped and maximum commission. So if you enable this capped, you can choose the maximum commission like $1,000. So this commission will be don't allow more than the $1,000. So for that you can enable this capped option. So I am saving this. So this is how we create a commission plan, and I am choosing this commission plan as the in the platinum level. So our new plan is chosen here. So whenever the partner level choose it as platinum, it will be the new plan will be the default commission plan. Saving this, and from the sales tab you can open the customer menu and choose one of the customer. I'm choosing it as a Deco Addict. And from the sale and purchase tab, from the partner assignment, we have an option for partner activations. So from here you can choose the partner levels. I'm choosing the partner level as platinum. So you can see the partner commission plan is automatically filled according to the partner level. And also you can set the activations for I'm choosing it as the first contact that we created. So this is how the commission plan is set. So I'm saving this. Okay. And from the opportunities, you can see there is some opportunities. So open one of them. Okay. So you have option for creating the quotation here. So I'm creating the new quotation for this opportunity. And whenever you create a quotation, you have an option referrer. So here you can choose the referrer as the record. So this opportunity is gained through the referrer record. So I am choosing the referrer as the record. So when you're choosing the referral as record, you can see the commission plan is automatically updated that we chosen in the customer form. So this is the commission plan, and I am adding the product as table with chairs. Make sure that its product category is office or office. Yeah, furnitures. All saleable furnitures was the product category. Yeah, all saleable furniture. Okay, saving this. Okay. So you can see the product is added and the unit price is 1,250, and we set it the referral as the recorded and commission plan is new plan. So you can see the referral commission here. Here is the $125 is the commission for this because the 10% of the 1,250 is will be 125. So this is how the commission is given to the partners. And for and for giving this commission to the partners, we have options from the configuration settings. Yeah, here we have partner commissions tab, and here you can see the automatic purchase order frequency and minimum purchase order amount total. So the generated referral commissions will be given to the partners as the purchase order through the purchase order. So we can set the purchase order frequency as manually, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. So when we setting the minimum amount as 500, so the monthly the created purchase order will be confirmed monthly or weekly or quarterly. So this is how the automatically the partner commission given. So we can choose it as manually now, and I'm set the minimum purchase order amount as the 500. So the when the commissions reaches the $500, it will be automatically create a purchase order. So we can check that, saving this. And I'm creating one more quotation for the Azure interior. I'm set the referrer as the record and adding the product. Table with the chairs. Okay. The referral commission is $125, and I'm confirming this and creating the invoice. And after confirming the invoice, make the payment. Okay. So purchase order. Yeah, you can see there will be a purchase order is triggered, commissions, and named it as the product is commission on the basis of the invoice. That is will be the invoice number of that quotation, and this is how the purchase order is triggered. And also we can create another quotation for that opportunity. Same as the referrer, recording, and choosing the as table, choosing the commission quantity as and quantity. So you can see that the total amount is 12,500 and the commission is only $1,000. Actually, the commission will be 1,250, but there is only 1,000 because we did the cap. We enabled the cap in the commission plan. So because there is only $1,000, and I'm confirming this and creating the invoice. And after confirming that invoice, we can make the payment. Okay, and checking the purchase order. Yep, it will be added to the old purchase order. It will be as $1,000 added to the existing purchase order. So this is how the commission given to the partners. So when we choosing the purchase order frequency from the CRM module, automatic purchase order frequency is manually. Here I am choosing it as manually. If you choose it as weekly or monthly or quarterly, the purchase order will be confirmed automatically in that period. So this is how the partner commissions given to the partners. So next we can move on to the reporting area. So sorry, before going to the reporting area, I forgot to introduce you one thing. So from the lead form, here you can see a add property field. So with the release of Odoo 16 CRM, we have the new options to add a property here. So after adding here, you can create a new field here. So choose the name of the field. I am setting as the secondary one. Okay. So I'm creating a new field as secondary form, and you can choose a field type. We have many types here, like text, checkbox, integer, decimal, date and time, etc. So like this, you can add a new field here. I am choosing it as text and adding it. So you can see there is a new field is added, secondary font, and we can add the details here. So this is how the add property works. And now we can move into the reporting area. Discarding this and going to the reporting. So first we have the forecast and report. So opening the forecast. So the report of the upcoming revenues can be analyzed with the help of the forecast and reporting. And the Kanban view will be provide the forecast report for each month separately, like April, May, June, and like this we can separate them each month. And you can observe the prorated revenue of the each month in this view. So for the prorated details from the list view, you can see the prorated revenues. And also you have the views like graph view and the pivot view and the list view, and we discussed about the Kanban view. And the next report is pipeline. The pipeline analysis. The analysis of the all pipeline can be observed using the pipeline analysis. So you can see the stages here: new stage, qualified, proposition, one stage. So this is how the pipeline reporting works, and you can see the count of the different months. And the next one is the leads. So using the lead analysis, you can generate the you can see the reports of the the leads generated through various platforms can be examined using the lead report. So using the advanced reporting tools, you can effectively analyze the leads in the module and take a suitable decision to improve the lead generation operations. And the next one is the activities. So the activities option in the reporting menu will help to get the report of all scheduled and as well as the completed activities in Odoo CRM. So I am removing this filter. So you can see there is only one activity scheduled or completed as discussions, and you can see the March event. So this is how the completion. This is showing the completed activity. So this is how the activity report works. And the next one is the partnerships. So the partnership analysis platform will display the graphical representation of the financial turnover with your partner. And you can also generate the report for the opportunities generated with the help of partners using the corresponding option from the measures. Like from the measures, you can add the details, a turnover, opportunity, and the count of the opportunities. Like this, we can analyze the turnover with our partners. So this is how the reporting of the CRM will work. So these are all about the Odoo 16 CRM module. I hope this session was helpful for you all. And if you have any queries, you can put it in the comment box. And if you want any more clarification, you can refer our blogs, and we have lots of functional and technical videos in Cybrosys YouTube channel. And also you can reach us through the odoo@cybrosys.com. Thank you. Have a good day.